We are a student from Government Degree College, Hodar. Belongs to Commerce faculty. This project is Jigna's study project. This title of the project: the impact of pandemic on digital payments in India. We are prepared these students. This Sheikh Mansoor, this G. Sweta, this Tamak Fatima, and I am Atifa Sultana. We are now my friend Mr. Sheikh Mansoor present this abstract.
In the current situation, digital payments play a richer role and have many advantages such as easy transactions, security and transparency. Banking sectors play a key role in digital payments by offering digital instruments such as debit card, credit card, mobile banking, mobile wallet like PhonePe, Google Pay, Yono, Paytm, etc. The pandemic could drive the world faster towards a digital payment. This paper focus on the importance of digital payments during pandemic. Different modes of digital payment system. The growth of digital payments from last 3 years. Keywords: pandemic, digital payments, mobile banking, e-banking, cashless transactions. Digital payments play an important role in this pandemic in view of the current situation in which individuals are forced to maintain a physical distance. Digital payments modes are actually being adopted. Many businesses were shuttered completely after the arrival of coronavirus. Small merchants, moreover, closed their shops. Many people across the globe lost their sources of income. All these things have made the economic situation very unfortunate. However, digital payments play a very beneficial role in the face of this critical situation. Digital payments in India have risen since the pandemic. The coronavirus epidemic will eventually achieve what 4 years ago by using digital payments from the electricity bill to the gap of
Importance of digital payment. Cost savings. Digital payment will reduce a huge amount of cost that government and companies use to invest. Accessibility and convenience. Digital payment modes are very easy. You can make online transaction within a second. People can use any mobile device. Lower risk. Online payment gateway will securely send the important transaction details. There is no specific time for making online transaction. You can do it whenever you want. Trace everything. The best part of digital payment that mode is that you can trace your transaction. Future of digital payment after the COVID-19, online payment industry is booming. Digital payment doing hardest to encourage digital payment methods. Various modes of digital payment. Various modes are formed in 2008 under the patronage of RBI and Reserve Bank of Association, NPCI, UPI, NACH. These are all protected digital payment. This service is helpful in shift for money from person to business such as kirana stores, petrol stations, e-commerce, recharges. Business to business such as retailer, supplier or distributor. Business to person as salaries, reimbursement and claims.
Research methodology. The research is based on secondary data. The data has been extracted from various sources like research article, authenticated website, bulletins of RBI and DELIS. Objective: to know the importance of digital payment in pandemic, to study the modes of online payment in to compare the analyzed previous year data of digital payment. Outcomes of the studies. However, digital payment rise in India, mostly another area of the world. Digital purchases have been a hit record in this year in the country with nearly 1.5 million people started first time local outlet channels from the unified payment interface to the Aadhaar inbuilt payment system AEPS registered dramatic growth. Digital payment rise in one industry saw high record in 2020. Visiting number of people opted to stay home, retain social distancing with fear of overcatching new coronavirus infection. Visiting bank branches and using current notes begin to use their smartphones and take loans for smooth banking services. COVID-19 lockdown. More and more people digital transaction. Uttar Pradesh reported huge 126% leap in digital transaction in 2020 compared to the previous year.
The government is liberating moving people to accept the digital payment at present. If it has mandatory before with social distancing COVID-19 crisis, the offline to online transactions has been increased to become customer behavior changing latest lockdown COVID-19. In recently lockdown along with RBI, Reserve Bank of India. After the lockdown, going to extra careful, going to stay safe to reduce recessions. The government has taken on motivate to the online payments and discouraging the use of cashes. The offline transactions such as are available 24/7. The RBI and the government. The aids of banking. Banking digital. Most enterprises do not have to focus on the timing of banking operation. Transactions will now be made even in odd hours.